Are you not sure how old your current siding is? Are you wondering if it needs to be replaced? Siding repairs are expensive, so it's important to know when small repairs are recommended or a full replacement. In this video, I'll go over the 4 signs of when you shouldn't replace your siding and the clear signs of when you should. Now let's look at our first example, some examples of siding that's in great shape. Here we have a wall with shingles that are still laying down nice, flat, and straight. All of the trim is also free of imperfections. We look at the caulking whenever we get to the corners, no cracks, it's everywhere it should be. Some minor dirt, but that's just really easy to clean off. You can just give it a light wash and you're good to go. Example 2, now we're going to look at some trim that looks like it might have some damage to it. There are some minor cracks in here, also some paint separation. Although this would be a situation we would not recommend replacement, just some minor maintenance. Really, we just need to scrape off all the bad paint, spot prime the bare wood as needed, and then repaint it to protect it. Because even little pock marks like this or little cracks, as long as you're covering up with paint, you're going to protect that board for at least another paint cycle. For example 3, now we're looking at an example when spot repairs would be recommended. In this particular situation, we have a concrete slab that is not properly sloped. It looks like it's actually guiding water back towards the home. So this lowest board looks like it has a fair amount of water exposure. And you see here we do have some damage and a cracked board. So this would be a situation where we would recommend just replacing the damaged board. As you look at the rest of the wall, the rest of the siding and the rest of the siding system are still in very good shape. Example number 4, let's say you've noticed a lot of damage to your current siding and it's time to get a quote. What we highly recommend is getting a professional to come out and take a look in person so they can examine your siding thoroughly, so they catch anything you might have missed or anything you're not even sure you might be looking for. Let's say you've noticed a lot of damage to your current siding, or maybe just some minor imperfections, things like cupping, boards peeling away from the wall, cracked boards, moisture intrusion, rot. But what is unknown is what might be going on behind all of that visible damage, resulting from maybe just a bad install by the previous contractor or builder. Maybe they're using the wrong techniques and the wrong materials, things of that nature. That's why it's so important to get a true professional out to take a look in person and offer solutions catered directly to you. Please visit our website and sign up for a free estimate today. Thanks for watching.